Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into Melania Coin, a cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the market. We'll cover its current state, potential growth, and our future price predictions. Let's get started. Based on our analysis, we expect Melania Coin's price to increase significantly in the coming years. Our prediction suggests that by the end of 2025, it could reach $1 or even higher in the long run. However, keep in mind that the crypto market is highly volatile, and these are just projections. In the short term, our forecast indicates that Melania Coin could hit $1 by the end of 2025. This prediction is based on its current trend and the increasing adoption of the cryptocurrency. Looking further, we predict that Melania Coin could reach $3.50 by the end of 2026. This growth will be driven by the expansion of the Melania Coin ecosystem and rising demand. For the long term, we expect Melania Coin to reach $5 or more. This projection is based on potential widespread adoption and increasing demand in the cryptocurrency space. Investing in Melania Coin comes with risks. The crypto market is unpredictable, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. Additionally, competition from other cryptocurrencies and regulatory changes could impact its growth. If you're considering investing in Melania Coin, here are a few tips. Do your own research and stay updated on the latest news. Diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple cryptocurrencies. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Currently, the overall sentiment for Melania Coin is bearish. One technical indicator is showing bullish signs, while 7 are signaling bearish trends. Despite this, we believe Melania Coin has strong potential for growth. Our fundamental analysis highlights key factors such as a growing community, increasing adoption, and potential for mainstream use. These factors create a solid foundation for Melania Coin's future growth. We used multiple price prediction models, including Heavy Checkmark MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, Heavy Checkmark RSI, Relative Strength Index, Heavy Checkmark Bollinger Bands, Heavy Checkmark Fibonacci Retracement. These indicators help us make more informed predictions about Melania Coin's future price movements. Melania Coin has strong potential for growth, and our predictions suggest it could reach $1 by 2025 and potentially $5 or more in the long term. However, always remember that the cryptocurrency market is volatile and investing carries risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Melania Coin and other cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching.